Hey guys, in today's video, we're using Dollar Tree products and fresh flowers to create 3 easy floral arrangements. These are so expensive in store and many of us want to stay in that under $10 price point. These are quick ideas, the recipient will love them, and I think they're even better than what you'd find in store. First is a gorgeous custom flower arrangement. You need 5 minutes and about $5. Go to Dollar Tree and get candy canes as well as a mini vase. And my favorite flowers are spray roses. They're just a couple of dollars a piece and you just need 1 bundle for this project. Put a rubber band around the outside of your dollar store vase and then start adding your candy canes. I like to add one side, then the opposite side, and fill in between. I used 2 packs of candy canes for this project, and I kind of like how the candy canes tilted to the side, and I added another rubber band so it would be nice and tight. Take some dollar store ribbon, tie around the outside in a pretty bow. Fill the vase about halfway with water, and I think it makes it look really high-end to cut down the roses into individual stems and have them form a rounded shape over the top. This would wow as the perfect hostess gift, and it's so simple. Next, my favorite floral gift to both give and receive, amaryllis bulbs. These are stately and gorgeous this time of year, and they are so expensive if you buy them already planted, but you can actually get them online very inexpensively. I'll be sure to put a link down below. They grow so tall, you can plant them inside and outside, and this is such an easy gift you can make using dollar store rocks. I thrifted a vase. You could also find it from the Dollar Tree. The key is you want to make sure it's large enough to hold your bulb. Add about 1/3 of the rocks to the bottom and stick the bulb's roots inside, and then surround with the rest of the rocks. And you don't want to cover the bulb. And this is foolproof. You don't need any dirt, just add a little bit of water to the bottom, enough to touch the roots, and over the next 5 to 6 weeks, these will bloom beautifully. And combine it with a sentimental ornament. I love these angel wings. I think it's my favorite thing Dollar Tree carries this year. This would make such a beautiful commemorative keepsake, especially if somebody lost someone close to them this holiday season, something they can enjoy all winter long. And finally, a quick $5 DIY. Get eucalyptus leaves from the grocery store. They're inexpensive, and combine it with this $1 reindeer tea light holder. Aren't these so cute? I think this would make a great centerpiece and a perfect hostess gift. If you've been enjoying my Dollar Tree Christmas series, leave this video a big thumbs up. I'm gonna put that playlist at the very end of the video. Be sure to subscribe because I wanna catch you in the next one. I love you guys and I'll see you there. Bye. So I'm sitting here trying to clean up this DIY and I look and there's a candy cane missing from it. Any idea where that candy cane is?
Right there.
Oh yes.
Yes.
At least you're honest about it. No, it's just we're looking.